What if I told you the most powerful bathroom cleaner in America costs less than $1? And it's not even in the cleaning aisle? And no, this isn't some sketchy internet hack. It's backed by real chemistry, real research, and it's probably sitting in your grocery store right now. Let me ask you something. Those chalky white rings around your faucet, how long have they been there? The orange rust streaks under your shower head? The cloudy film on your glass door that never fully disappears no matter how hard you scrub? Most people assume those stains are permanent. They're not. They're just mineral deposits. And minerals respond to one thing extremely well: acid. The powder I'm talking about is citric acid. Yeah, the same natural compound found in lemons and limes. But here's what most people don't realize. When you buy a $9 bathroom descaler at Target or Walmart, there's a very high chance the active ingredient inside that bottle is citric acid. Not magic foam, not some secret lab formula. Citric acid. According to ingredient disclosures required under laws like California's Cleaning Product Right to Know Act, many major bathroom cleaners list citric acid as their primary descaling agent. The difference? You're paying for water, fragrance, dye, packaging, and marketing. Now let's break down what's actually happening in your tub. If you live in the US, chances are you have hard water. The U.S. Geological Survey reports that about 85% of American homes have hard water. That means your water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium. When water evaporates, those minerals stay behind. That's the crusty white buildup. Calcium carbonate. Rust stains. That's iron oxide from aging pipes or iron in groundwater. Green or blue stains, usually copper deposits. Soap scum, that's a chemical reaction between soap and calcium in hard water. It forms a stubborn compound called calcium stearate. Citric acid works through a process called chelation. That means its molecules bind to metal ions like calcium, iron, and magnesium. It literally grabs onto those minerals, breaks them apart from the surface, and turns them into a water-soluble form that rinses away. No scraping, no steel wool, no harsh fumes. And this isn't just theory. Research published in journals like the Journal of Cleaner Production and Environmental Engineering Studies over the past few years confirms that organic acids like citric acid effectively dissolve calcium carbonate deposits at low concentrations, often matching commercial descaling products in performance. Because again, many commercial descalers are citric acid. Now let's talk money for a second. A typical 16-ounce bathroom cleaner costs between $6 and $12. Most of it is water. The active acid concentration is usually between 3% and 8%. Meanwhile, a 1-pound bag of food-grade citric acid costs around $4 to $7 and can make dozens of spray bottles at similar strength. That drops your cost per use to just a few cents. Same chemistry, different price tag. And here's the part nobody talks about: plastic waste. The EPA has repeatedly highlighted growth in single-use plastic packaging from household products. When you buy powder in bulk and reuse one spray bottle, you eliminate bottle after bottle after bottle. Better for your wallet, better for the environment. So how do you actually use it? For regular hard water stains, mix 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder into 1 cup of warm water. Shake until dissolved. Spray the surface. Let it sit 15 to 30 minutes. Wipe and rinse. For heavy rust, make a thick paste with a small amount of water. Apply directly to the stain. Let it sit up to an hour. Rinse clean. For soap scum, spray generously, wait 20 minutes, wipe. Done. If you want prevention, keep a diluted spray bottle in the shower and mist surfaces once a week after your last shower. It takes 20 seconds and stops buildup before it starts. Do not use citric acid on natural stone like marble, travertine, or limestone. It can cause etching. It won't kill mold. Mold needs antimicrobial treatment. And always test a small area first if you have older enamel. Used correctly on porcelain, ceramic, glass, and stainless steel, it's safe and widely recognized as biodegradable. In fact, citric acid is classified by the FDA as generally recognized as safe for food use. It's even part of your body's natural metabolic cycle. Think about that. The same molecule your cells produce every day can also wipe out years of mineral buildup in your tub. This isn't about conspiracy. It's about awareness. The cleaning industry isn't hiding citric acid. It's printed right on the label. Most people just never flip the bottle over. And once you do, you start seeing the pattern everywhere. One simple ingredient, dozens of brand names, huge price differences. So next time you're staring at that wall of colorful sprays in the cleaning aisle, ask yourself, am I buying chemistry or branding? Because the chemistry has been around for centuries. The only thing that changed is the packaging. Try it once. Worst case, you're out a few bucks. Best case, you never scrub your tub the same way again. And once you see how simple this one is, you'll start wondering what else you've been overpaying for. Stay curious.